I had been involved in participating and co-coordinating hackathons in the past, and really thought it to be a unique experience for the students. You know, you get to really get in and work on a product concept in a very applied way. It's a really great chance to work in teams as well, and learn from each other across different domain spaces. So the idea was to bring together grad and undergraduate students from a broad range of disciplines to work together on pressing problems within food and ag systems. In terms of an opportunity for the students, it seems that the chance to really leverage data and computation while also making sure that the solution that's being designed is really grounded in the discipline and domain space that practitioners in the area are using. So all the way, as our keynote speaker showed on Friday, all the way from the supplier all the way to that end consumer. It's really important that we consider kind of what is their logistical operational context, and what solution can we build in that will have value added to everyone involved in that product, which also helps with the longevity of that product's use. In terms of value to the community, you know, we really, the challenges that we face in food and ag systems really do require interdisciplinary approaches, and that's part of such the value of this event, is that we're bringing students in from all these different disciplines, not only for the purposes of the weekend, but as they can start to consider like what careers might be available in the food and ag system space. Even if they're studying something else during their time here at UC Davis, they can say from computer science or from math or from geography or environmental policy. They can bring what they have and their expertise to really help address these questions in a unique way, in a way we can't do on our own. Consumer health and kind of giving that information to the consumer really is like a decision support tool. And then we also had some really interesting questions in the ag space, whether related to health of dairy cattle or even helping small-scale producers sort out which crops they'd like to grow under what management strategies. So we had a really broad range of solutions. Some of them incorporated multi-omic data, so some of them were working with like the microbiomes, and some of them were working more with like apps you might already be using, but building in additional functionality to those that would, again, bring the information to the consumer and they can do what they will with it. So yeah, we had a really great, I think the teams did a really great job of focusing in on features they could deliver in a weekend while also really thinking about, again, value added for everyone involved and some of the ethical considerations that we need to think of when we're developing solutions in this area. Running that workshop. So we had an introductory R, and there could be kind of an introductory Python offering. So I think more explicitly building some of the coding into the event. You know, I think it's a little bit quick to try to implement, say, a machine learning model and actually like, you know, run the numbers, get a simulation resulting, and then show output from it. But I think, yeah, we'll build up even more programming around that aspect. We did have some great resources available for the students with regards to computing. That I think, yeah, we'll do maybe some more demos and help kind of build those up programmatically. Yeah, and otherwise, you know, we had a huge value in this event from the mentors who participated, and they came in from a broad range of disciplines. So I think hopefully we'll get the chance to hear from some of them more directly. We had experts in everything from controlled environment agriculture to plant-based foods to even venture capital. So, and it's so rare that we get the opportunity to interact with, you know, business professionals who are practitioners who might have started their own companies, who have been leading research divisions, and can really share their insights. So yeah, we're really looking forward to their involvement in the next offering as well.